this with Rustler 10 and 9. I'm on the 10, my friend Jerry is on the 9.
Yep, absolutely, superb. Titanium here, and then carbon up here to give it a really good sort of responsive ski. So again, in the off-piste is absolutely superb, especially sort of off-piste bumps and what have you. It will bounce and give you a real progressive lift over the bump from the round to the next, and it would just cruise straight through pretty much anything, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I found the 10 obviously being that little bit wider, just like to kind of rise above all the bumps, and it was nice to just pop off little rollers and bits and bobs. I would say probably a slightly more expert skier for the 10, somebody with a little bit more aspirations on the 9, but all in, really responsive, really fun, playful free ride on mountain skis.
94 millimeters underfoot,
102.